Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Mechanic Swiss Army knife. And this particular example of one is the Boy Scouts of America version of the Swiss Army knife. And as you can see, Mechanic, red, Boy Scout. And there's like a little holographic symbol there. And then something that I thought was kind of interesting. Not for use by persons under the age of 13. So, I guess in this case, they're kind of setting the age for this thing. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, the Mechanic is, it's kind of like, I mean, it's really almost like a tinker plus pliers. And let's take a look at it. We'll see. And actually, I'll grab a tinker and we can compare. So, first of all, it's got the usual small blade and and large blade, which we've come to expect on most Swiss Army knives. We've got pliers, which are not bad. We've got the usual can opener, and this is the can opener with the flathead screwdriver. And you have the bottle opener with the larger flathead screwdriver, and the thing they claim is a wire stripper, although I've always had kind of doubts about that. And on the back, you got a flathead screwdriver. Scratch that. You've got a Phillips head screwdriver, and you've got an awl. And if I can get it out, you got an awl. You got an awl. And of course, tweezers and a toothpick. So no plus scales on this one. And you do have the hole for the stick pin, but I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Let's see if you can put a pin in this if you want while we're looking at these things. So if you were so inclined and you wanted to use a stick pin, you maybe could. So insert the stick pin and okay. It seems to close no problems. So you can add a stick pin to yours if you wish, which isn't bad. Now, the Mechanic isn't amazingly difficult to find, but I think it's being phased out at the time we're making this video, or the time I'm making this video. I think it's being phased out, or it's on its way to being discontinued. So, double check and make sure, but I think it's on its way out. Anyway, let me grab a tinker real quick. Alright, so this is the Victorinox tinker. And as you can see, it has pretty much exactly the tools of the Mechanic. The only difference is the Mechanic adds the pliers. And the pliers, I mean, they obviously add a noticeable amount of width to the knife, but not bad. So I guess if you wanted to have, if you want like the basic tinker plus just pliers, yeah, it's not a bad choice, I guess. What do you think? How do you feel about the pliers? And I guess the main question is, would you rather have pliers over scissors? That's one of the, I guess, the big kind of nagging questions forever, is pliers or scissors. Most times I kind of want pliers. Because the thing is, I feel like I can do almost everything I need to do, everything that I would do with scissors with the other blades on the knife. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And also, if there's any Swiss Army knives you think I should check out, or any other cool gadgets, or if for some reason I am wrong and this isn't on its way to being discontinued, let me know in the comments. Because I want to say it is, but I need to double check to say for sure. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.